Hey folks, it's Sergey here again from Driverz Auto. Winter is upon us, but luckily we're here inside of our large indoor heated showroom, so we can show any vehicles here inside our showroom and stay out of the cold. Now for today's walk around, I've got this beautiful 2019 Audi Q7 Technik with the S-Line package. Now since it's in this gorgeous galaxy blue metallic paint, it's the 7-seater with just lots of options packed into it. Blind spot monitoring, navigation, 360 camera, heated and cooled seats in the front, heated in the rear. It's pretty much got everything that you need for the winter. Now you know what, let's take a closer look inside at some of the options and features. So this comes with 3-zone climate control, so everyone will be comfortable year round. It's got a heated steering wheel to keep your hands nice and warm, navigation, Apple CarPlay, really you name it, it has it. Now don't forget, here at Driverz Auto, we're the home of the 3 payments on us. So with financing any of our vehicles, you'll be getting 3 payments on us. Now we take all trades, any make, any model, cars, trucks, SUVs, you name it, we will take it. Now give us a call today or stop by. We'll bring the vehicle right inside the showroom here to show you. We're located on the corner of Heritage Drive and 77th Avenue, Southeast Calgary.